Hey everybody, I'm looking at array lists and I just wanted to show you the difference side by side of creating an array of integers and creating an array list of integers. So this is an array. It's going to have 100 numbers in it. This is an array list and it has nothing in it because the size is going to be determined by you adding things later. We go across, and right now this array is a bunch of zeros, 100 of them. And this is literally nothing but a pointer at a place that's called numbers so that we can add numbers to it. Okay, so the for loop. I create an integer, 1 to 100, and that plus 1 shouldn't be there. Okay, at that random times 100 plus 1 afterwards. And then I change, there we go, change num sub 0, num sub 1, num sub 2, each time with the new random number. And then the array list that does the same thing, creates the array list, creates the array, goes across the for loop. Notice I had to use a number 100 because it doesn't have a size that will help us yet. We're going to go across and add numbers. Make a number, numbers.add, make it an integer before you add it. Okay, remember array lists can only have objects. This is a wrapper class that goes around the int object, the int primitive, and makes it an object. You can do the same things with them, and we'll talk about that later. But right now we're adding them. Here, where I am going to remove the even numbers, I can just treat it like a regular integer. It doesn't have to have a wrapper class around it. So remember, when you add things to your array, they need to be the same object type that the array list is. All right, hope that helps.